Okay, the first part of your review, we're just going to go over place value and rounding. So one thing that you might see is I might give you a number, a large number like you see up here, and I might say, okay, I want you to find these digits in the number, and I want you to give me their place value. Okay, so the first one that I ask you is the 5. And I say, okay, with the 5, what is the place value? So I look at the 5. The 5 is in the thousands. So I just go ahead and write thousands. With the 3 is in the ones column. So I would write ones with the 3. The 6 is right here, and that is in the 10 thousands. And then finally the 4 comes right after the 5, which is in the millions, so the 4 would be the 10 millions. And that's all I would really require for this section, is just to simply write the place value for the given digit. The next part will be with standard form. And with standard form, you have to remember that is the actual number. Okay? So here, if I ask you to write something in standard form, you are writing the number. So here, we have numbers that are written in number word form, and 45,000 in standard form would be written just like this, 45,000. And then 30 million will be written 30, and the magic number for million is 6, so 6 zeros.
Here's more stuff to be sent home. Where do you want me to put it?
Next, you're going to be asked to do a little bit of rounding. So you're going to be given a large number, and I'm going to say, okay, I want you to round this number to the hundreds. Now, to do that, first thing I'd like you to do is locate where the hundredth spot is. The hundredth spot is where the 4 is. So you look to the right of the 4, and the number is 5 or bigger. It's 5. So I'm going to go ahead and move my 4 up to 5. Everything to the right of the number stays the same. I'm going to move my 4 up, and then everything to the right of the place value turns to 0. Now I'm asked to round to the 10 millions. So I find my 10 millions spot, and that is my 4. I look to the right of the 4, and it's 5 or bigger, it's 5. So my 4 moves to 5, and everything after it changes to zeros. The last one I'm asked is the hundred thousands. So I locate my hundred thousands, and that is my 6. I look to the right of the 6. It is bigger than 5. So everything to the left of it stays the same. My 6 moves up to 7, and everything after changes to 0. And that is our rounding.